Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm not sure if you know about this waterfall in Luang Prabang called Kuang Si. If not yet, check it out. We are at Kuang Si Waterfall right now. So then when you first walk in, you'll see the area where it's playing on bear. Which all this bear came from the rescue from the government. I will just put them here as a. Alright, so my
can't get a good photo with
first time for him here, and first time for this guy too. So walk you guys around. So the way this waterfall works is the trail that you walk into is going to be a different zone and a different area where you could swim. So you will have one with the rail, one with no rail. So take your pick. And you can see a lot of people, as you can tell. Like a lot of people. So we got to the first small one thing I just realized, I'm not sure if the mic pick up all the waterfall sound. So if it does, which means my voice probably not going to be that clear, so I apologize in advance. So here we are at the third spot. This is a spot that you'll be able to swim, so you'll see fitting room. You'll see people getting ready to swim, so So this spot is supposed to be for people that taking pictures. It's really popular in Laos. They usually build a bench, and the place that is so it's a good advertisement for the spot, and also it's pretty cute, little cool spot to take a picture with. Yeah, look at this guy kissing the deer. They usually use this as umbrella. You wrap food with it, and then grill or steam and whatnot. This is pretty big. That's why I say people use it for umbrella. As I was saying, see that? You can do that. That's fun. Alright, time to get going. It's a different road to walk out. The other one that you come up is more of like walking. This one they built it for just in case of disability or dropped off cars and anything. So that's why you can see the. So this is a landmark. Usually landmark in Laos are like this. You have the brick, the concrete. The red parts say the mile. I mean the miles on the bottom, but it's all. So on this side, I will tell you the Kuang Si Waterfall. And when you come on the other side, I will say Luang Prabang. Tell you how far it is to go back in town. It wasn't. This is how you get rid of the fly. Ice cream next?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not just regular ice cream though. I'll let you guys see it when we get there.
Apple pie is coming.
Can I have my
Oh, look, there is apple.
So yep. How was it, Mahal? How was it? No? Actually it was good.
You're gonna taste like a fresh
I did not
fresh
taste
ice cream, right?
I did not taste any buffalo milk in it, but it's actually creamy. And they actually have a tour. You got interesting. But it was interesting. It was good. It was good. It was surprisingly good, to be honest with you guys. See, so good. This guy dancing.
Right?